Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Hope you're going well with your Māori language journey. Today I thought I would help you out with all of this carry on, which is I think maybe something to do with the word pronouns, but whatever it is, it can be quite tricky. So I think we might do some other videos about this as well, but this is just a start. So a really easy sentence about this is kua kai. So this means eating, and this is has happened. And we'll start with O. I have eaten. Kua kai o or kua kai aho. So I have so have or has. I have eaten. And then if we wanted to change that to a question, it would be kua kai o, have I eaten? And then this is you, koe. Kua kai koe, you have eaten. Kua kai koe, you have eaten. Or as a question, kua kai koe, have you eaten? And that's just to one person. Koe is for one person. Kua kai ia, so that means he or she. He or she has eaten. Kua kai ia, he or she has eaten, so we're talking about somebody who's eaten. And if you are talking question, kua kai ia, so the sentence is exactly the same as the question, but with a question mark at the end. Kua kai ia, has he eaten? Has she eaten? Okay, so this is meant to have a macron there. So these three, maua, taua, and raua, are about two people. So maua and taua are quite similar. So kua kai maua is if I was talking to you and there was another person there here beside me, I could say kua kai maua. Me and my friend here have eaten and I'm talking to you about it. But if I'm talking to my friend, I would say kua kai taua. You and I have eaten. Kua kai taua. Kua kai maua, I'm telling somebody else. Kua kai taua. I'm talking to the other person in the pair. And then raua is two people over there. Those two over there have eaten. Kua kai raua, those two have eaten. So somebody might have said, have those two eaten? Kua kai raua, and I could say, ai, kua kai raua, they have eaten. Those two have eaten. And this is the same thing, but with three or more. So instead of maua for me and my person here, it's mātou. Instead of raua for those two over there, it's rātou for those three or more over there. And tātou is all of us together. So mātou is kua kai mātou. All of us here, not including the person we're talking to, have eaten. Kua kai mātou, we've eaten. And we're telling somebody else we've eaten. Kua kai rātou, those people over there who don't include any of us, they've eaten. Kua kai rātou, they've eaten. And you could say, kua kai rātou, have they all eaten? Right. And kua kai tātou is everyone, including the speaker, has eaten. Kua kai tātou, we've all eaten. So hopefully that will help. I'll go into a little bit more detail with these and some easier ways to remember them in a future one. But you might be able to think of other ways of using this, which is has or have, and a different thing here, which might be a different verb. Good luck with that. Ka kite.